Anyway, today we're going to play Survivor. No bait, just lures. Got some admirers coming. Look, Mr. Pelican, Mrs. Pelican, and the Pelican kids.
At least you've got some fans. Mickey on! Mickey excited.
What are you?
How's it go?
Hands on my. Oh, Gaz.
Blow by blow. He just got snotted.
You did it on purpose.
Need a net.
We got meat.
Tasty little cephalopod. Don't you love it when a plan comes together, Mickey? He's going to bite you.
It's going to bite.
Show us, Mick.
Love bite.
I can't even see it.
Why? It felt hard. Be tired, mate. Our new mascot. Look at that.
Terry the Turd.
Terry the Turd.
Come on, Terry.
A real simple throw together. We use mussels, fresh prawns and calamari caught today. So we've got the prawns, the calamari, the mussels, calamari that we caught today.
Shut up and sit down.
What are we doing today, guys?
We're going to go get some squid. I'll get some squid. You're just coming for a ride, I think, are you?
Yeah. See about that one. Anyway, today we're going to play Survivor. We're going to bring no bait, just lures. See what we can get. That'll be our little mission today. We've taken out the old girl, the old Aquaholiks one. Yep. Now it's Gary's boat. He bought it, knowing how good it is. Good boat. It's an oldie but a goodie, you know. All right, see what we can get, guys. Well, guys, motor started. That's all right.
It's not bad for 6 months.
6 months, mate.
Pretty most of that, wasn't it? When did we go to Peaceful Bay?
Peaceful Bay, yeah. That's it. Well, that's a good sign. Now, if she floats, even better.
As long as she stays afloat, instead of still.
We've got some admirers coming, look. Okay, Mr. Pelican, Mrs. Pelican, and the Pelican kids.
At least you've got some fans.
At least some, yeah.
Wearing the black and white.
Yeah, look at that. Lindsay!
Ah.
How you going, mate?
I'm not here, I'm working.
Lindsay's come for a cheeky fish, see?
Check it out, no one knows.
Hey, Lindsay's decided to leave work for a bit, and a bit of R&R is on the menu today. So, see what happens. What do you reckon, Linz?
Oh, it's going to be better than working, isn't it?
Oh, there you go. Well, it's the ride over. Boys are in the seat. There. I'll lay down here. Have a little rest. You know, they sit over there. Well, yeah, I'll see you when I wake up. When we get there. Woo!
It looks good. Bit of
Feels
limestone
good.
over granite. I spy with my little eye. A big juicy squid.
Gary, you've got to move. No squid here, mate. You said there was squid here. What's going on?
You lied. But if Lindsay
You lied.
went on there, we had to move straight away.
Right. All right, I'm going to try another spot. There's not much here. I mean, actually, nothing here. What have I done? You know exactly what I've done. Got a deep sea racing mullet here.
Was he deep?
It was very deep. Gary, I think I've got a squid. No,
There's another one
squid
behind it. Lindsay,
Here we go, Lindsay. Yeah. Lindsay. Quick, mate.
he's a nice size too.
Nice size.
You want to hold back with the other hand or drop behind it?
He's going down. He's going for you. Somebody get it. He's just there. He's right there. Right down there. Look. Right underneath. Let's get him. Hold out.
Don't you love it when a plan comes together, Mickey? He's a nice size. He's going to bite you.
He's going to bite.
What was he doing?
Biting me.
Show us, Mick. Show us.
Look. Love bite.
I can't even see it.
Why? It felt hard. On my finger. Oh, now. In the excitement, I've tangled myself up.
Well, good news is I got his mate.
Yeah?
Yep. Need a net.
Look at that dog. Nice. We got meat.
A big tasty little cephalopod.
That's what I'm talking about. Gary, we're on.
Mickey on!
Gary, we're on.
Mickey excited.
Oh, yeah. Oh. What are you?
How's it go?
All over my pants, all over my. Oh, Gaz.
Blow by blow. He just got snotted.
You did it on purpose. You did it on purpose, didn't you?
Not on purpose, Jar.
Lindsay! Lindsay! You got one or you got weed? What do you got?
Where is it?
You might have to get up, Lindsay.
Oh,
yeah. Oh.
One little tentacle, Lindsay.
Oh.
One little tentacle.
Lindsay on the board!
Natural.
On the board!
Woo.
Look at that.
You didn't try
Hey.
to lift him in. He's already got a chip halfway up that tentacle. You see, it's kind of snap. Yeah.
Oh. All right. Next one. You'll be tired, mate. And a little rest. You're welcome to stay on there. No, you don't have to go. You can stay there, mate. You're all right. Sorry, yeah, Gary's driving. How do you do? You stay as long as you like, mate. Our new mascot. Look at that.
Terry the Turn.
Terry the Turn is a turn. Look, he's hanging on.
Which way do we need to turn?
Turn.
Left.
Which way does it need to turn? Turn.
Lindsay's not saying a word. No, I'm out of
Maybe he's just a little bit tired. Come on, Terry. Right. Anyway, guys, we're coming in. We've got 5 big calamari. Big. No, not really. You're lucky to feed one of us, I reckon. Nah, couple anyway. Gonna go back and clean the squid and clean the boat, do the shit. Well, I'm back from another day of filming, fishing. I thought what I'd do is I'll show you guys how to do a simple, quick throw together. And, it's gonna be obviously what we caught today, which was calamari. And we're gonna put it with some mussels, some prawns. I'll show you guys next. So let's come over next. Very simple, very good, very tasty. This is what we're gonna do tonight. We do a real simple throw together. I'm gonna use mussels, we've got onions, garlic, parsley and basil, yeah. Some pasta, some spaghetti, and a tin of cherry tomato sauce, whatever you call it, and some olive oil, okay? So what we're gonna do, splash oil in there, nice. Water's boiling, and put a bit of salt in, there we go. Put it back on, let it cook for just a little bit. There's onions. We've got some fresh prawns that we peeled. Now this is the calamari we caught today. There we go. So I'll show you how to do this. That. Little knife. So, bit of calamari we just caught today, yep. Inside, and we're just gonna screw it this way. And then we screw it the other way. Like so. And then we cut across. It helps for the calamari to become tender and also curl up. All right, so onions in, bam, olive oil, onions, that's it. So you just keep cooking it until it's softened, start getting a little bit of color to it, beautiful. That's the mussels, very nice, clean, ready to go. Straight in with some juices. Garlic and parsley have to come after. A little bit of pepper, salt. And salt and pepper in. Prawns, 1 bowl, bang. Calamari, 1 bowl, bang. So they'll all cook off. So this is good enough for 4. Garlic, throw them in now. Yep. Bam. Herbs. Parsley, basil. Yes. Nice. So we've got parsley, basil, we've got prawns, we've got calamari, which we caught today. All in the dish. Oops, sorry, love. We'll get it later. Now, so now it's starting. Nice. Pasta in. All right, so pasta's in. Here we go. Slowly gonna go down, slowly gonna go down, Look at that. Yeah, so 500 grams. 500 grams of pasta in here, seafood in there, bam, it's done. So now it's going to take about 7 minutes and we'll come back. All in there. Look at that. Beautiful. Very nice. Calamari from today. Beautiful. The pasta is cooked. Grab some of this. Now, if you look at the pasta, like that. Yeah. It'll show you, it's like a steak. You know, pasta's like a steak. If you see that, that's still not al dente, it's still not right to go. So, it needs more time. All right. Just a touch of white wine. Here we go. Bam. There we go. Just to deglaze the pan. I'll use the same one. Oops, there we go. My favourite herb of all. Lemon myrtle, just a little, yes. There we go, look at that. And then, cherry tomatoes. But if you want to use fresh, or you've got some really nice tomatoes, go for it, bud. I'm going to put them in there. Cherry tomato sauce from a can. With the wine, the oil, the herbs, the cherry tomatoes. Yum, yum. Oh, very nice. It's going to cook off for about 2 or 3 minutes just for the tomatoes to work their way through. That's how, not too saucy, not too creamy, not too this, not too that. Very healthy, very good. And I'll show you finished product very shortly. Okay, so see here, pasta cooked. Almost all the way through, but not quite. That's the red time to take it off. I'm going to put it into this sauce. Straight away, bam. Okay, and I'm going to turn that off, and then I'm going to serve it up, and we'll see the end result. Okay, so play this one up, a bit of a wipe. So we've got the prawns, the calamari, the mussels, calamari that we caught today. There we go. Beautiful dinner ready. Awesome. If you like me, I like chili. Con doesn't, or your partner, or whatever. I like chili, but I put a sriracha on there because I like sriracha. So I just put it on. What I do is I just put a little bit on the top. I can always add more if I need it. And that's it. So, and as I eat it, I'll put more sriracha on if I want it. If not, don't have to. So, anyway, guys, little tip. Enjoy. Don't forget, subscribe, hit the bell, give us a thumbs up, share it around. And until next time, stay safe, happy fishing.